to our other investigation. $23 million. That's how much Illinois taxpayers are forking over to a Chicago company to set up a call center and computer system to help process unemployment claims for gig workers. But CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov has learned that May 11th date the governor keeps talking about to get those new benefits could be in jeopardy. That's what we mean when we say we're working for Chicago, uncovering information that will help you navigate this jobs crisis. Dana is live outside the unemployment office in Lincoln Square. Dana, this could be devastating to some people.
Well, yeah, to those independent contractors, those gig workers, some of whom have been waiting almost 2 months for any help at all. Now, those 2 state contracts to that one company are specifically intended to put place the infrastructure needed to process the unemployment benefit claims for these workers who prior to the pandemic were not eligible to receive unemployment benefits. But now sources tell me that current staffers inside the Illinois Department of Employment Security have been told nothing about the new systems, which means those waits for those folks who need the money could be even longer.
They want you to file a claim, get denied.
Kevin McGorty is right. For self-employed and so-called gig workers like himself, it's exactly what Governor J.B. Pritzker says is the first step towards getting unemployment benefits.
Because it will make it much easier when we actually launch the independent contractor system for them to get paid.
McGorty did and got denied. He kept following up with the Illinois Department of Employment Security, hopeful the new IDES system and call center to help with these new claims would be ready with his money by May 11th, the state's projected date. Then he got some bad news from an IDES staffer.
The individual I spoke to was very professional and very helpful, but he also told me that he knew nothing about the payments being made supposedly by May 11th.
I also spoke to a source inside IDES who tells me the same, that when it comes to the new computer system and call center, staffers have been given, quote, zero guidance. Consulting giant Deloitte was awarded the no-bid state contracts for the work. It's getting $9.49 million for the pandemic unemployment assistance computer system and another $12.74 million for the call center, which is supposed to staff 200 additional call takers. IDES spokesperson Rebecca Cisco tells me today the center is now up and running.
I've tried on the virtual call center for the last 2 weeks. It's been on the system, but you're not talking to a live person.
So what's the likelihood of getting gig worker benefits in 10 days?
I can't speak to what date on which they will get, their cards would be charged.
Gordy says that IDES staffer painted an even grimmer picture.
He was unresponsive because he didn't have an answer because he doesn't know anything.
When asked today, Governor J.B. Pritzker says the state still plans to launch this new system the week of May 11th. But Brad, launching and actually doling out payments are certainly two different things.
Yeah, do we know, Dana, if Deloitte has fulfilled its end of the multi-million-dollar deal yet?
Well, a Deloitte spokesperson or executive deferred all questions to the Illinois Department of Employment Security. And I did hear back from that spokesperson this afternoon who told me that the terms of both of those contracts with Deloitte have been fully executed. But again, staffers already working here for IDES are saying they have been told nothing about how to operate those new systems. Brad?
Well, we'll see how that one pans out. CBS 2 investigator Dana Kozlov live on it again. Thank you for your work this week, Dana.